Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Jessie here, and I'm with a special guest, my brother Nonstop Gamers. So let's go and adopt some kids, won't we? Let's go. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. Hey, but not as much as kids.
So, which one are we gonna
Oh, this one is so cute. I'm about to see if he will. Ah! Yeah. Wait, no, we have already a kid. Yay, no, I'm picking it up. Yippee. Okay, let's go. Okay, we have. Oh my gosh. Come outside. Yeah, we're going to the house. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Like, wait. Okay, I'm just getting my buggy. People. Hey, come out, honey. Honey, you better go out. Honey! Oh, I have to put him down. Wait. Okay, let's go. Have to go through that portal. So, what are you doing, Jason? Where are we going?
House.
Okay. Hey, you show me the direction. Where are you? Oh my god. You just sprinted. Oh, you just glitched through the... Yep. No, the kid is going away. Get back here. That kid is so naughty. Okay, let's find another kid. There's so many people. I'm leaving this. Come to me, I'm right here. Do you see me?
Let's go to my house.
Hey,
Here.
you show where your house is. Oh, I see your house. Is that the white one? My house is more far away. Like, how to say that? Like, we're not like really neighbors. We're close. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is like a, oh my, there's so much foam, or whatever this thing is. Oh my gosh, this is cool. The DJ.
We're going to the baby room.
DJ. DJ. I can't get it. Oh, you bought it. That is so cool. Can you turn off the music? I want to sleep. Ah, I'm stuck. What house you have? You're just stuck. I just got stuck. Well, you can turn off the disco ball. Yeah, I know. Just turn it off and turn off the fog. Okay, let's go to my house because your house is like, oh my god. Yeah, mine is more fancier. Come follow me. Oh my god. Okay, it's this way. Oh, I got cash out. I got 95. My house is there. Can you see? It's pink one. I have to put it a different color. Wait, I'm just gonna change the color because I don't like the color. I wanna paint the color. Wait, what kind of random? I like this yellow one. Where did you go? Did you go already inside? Take a seat, madam. Hey, you just... Oh my gosh, it's so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the TV is hilarious. Did you see that? Oh my gosh, it's so brilliant. Okay, let me go make food. Are you done watching TV? Can you help me a hand?
Okay. Oh, computer.
Hey, I wanted to go there. Wait,
Yeah, I'm
am I
playing some Roblox. I'm playing some Roblox.
really? I want to see. Oh my!
Yeah, I'm playing on Fortnite right now.
Oh my gosh!
Jesse?
Yeah.
Jesse? Jesse?
Yes.
You got 1 million.
What?
What?
Oh my god! We need to have a party. We need to have a party, and I
Wait,
need
show
to
me
have
your
kids.
baby. Show me your baby.
I need to have a party. I'm so
Are you
happy.
gonna
I'm sleeping in
You
bed.
forgot to put a door here. You don't have a door here. So people can see you.
I just got stuck.
Jesse, where are you?
There. Help me.
Reset your here.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just. What happened? I'm all gray. Okay, now my color is fine. You know what? Are we gonna even have a baby yet? I don't think so. So I think that I'm gonna put the baby away, crib away. Yeah.
And put a door in the back. No one so they can see you. And then do you want to go to my hot tub?
What?
I got a hot tub.
What?
A hot tub.
A hot tub.
Yes.
Yeah, I like the sound of that. So, what do you want to do? I just have to get a bed. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna buy a really good bed. A really cute one. It's gonna be so cute. So I'm buying this bed. It might look a bit cute, I think. Is it too big? It's too big, I guess. Guess I can't have it. But it looks so cute though. Okay, what color is that one? It's white. Hey, I'm sleeping near the toilet. You know why? Because I got to the toilet. So, yeah, okay. It's really late, I guess. Let's go to sleep. Wait, will the lights ever shut? Jeez.
You don't have a lamp. Maybe you can get a fan.
A what?
A fan. You have a fan already in this. It's too small. You know you have a fan here.
Really?
Yeah, look at that.
Hold
You
on,
can get
wait,
a better one.
I'm gonna get a better
And
one.
you need to put a door there.
But I can't get get the thing away.
You need to put it there.
Let's go for ice cream. Let's go. Fine. Could be out the first. Hey, wait for me. That wasn't fair. Ah, you cheater.
Okay, I'm coming.
You're such a cheater. Oh my god. This is so fun. Let's go. Wait, can you take me with me?
You
I just went in
have
someone's house. I
I'm going to
guess. I just got a shot. Where? What person has a party house?
Me.
Where are you? I don't. I'm where my house is.
In front, you see? Now.
This thing.
No.
Where? This.
No.
This. Oh my gosh. That's the house. That's the apartment. That's the house I want to buy. You can go inside. Oh my gosh. This is like my dream. Oh my god. This is so. You're my princess. This is so empty and there's so many space.
Okay, I will straight away by this.
It's.
You
What
see
is
how much
this?
space there is?
Oh, this is so nice.
How many doors are in this? Oh my god, this person has a mirror and stuff.
Oh, I like the top of it. I like the top.
Oh my god, the back
You
door,
have your own
the
thing.
bathroom is massive.
There's a hot dog. I can sit in the.
Look at this room.
Look, I'm sitting in the hot dog.
I have a hot. Oh, there's a dance
Hello.
floor.
I want to invite him to my family. He is really
Oh my god, look at this
cute.
room.
Really? Oh my gosh. I love you. Oh my gosh, you're the rich.
Is that it?
I'm gonna say
Yes, please.
I love you.
This person is so
Be my hubby. I love you. Be my. Where did he go? There's so many beds. He is so rich. I'm so. This is such a great idea. He just put it the small beds just together and it looks like a bigger bed. Really. Why is this noob here? Well, it's not nice to say that they're noobs. So obviously, no one's a noob. And you know what? If you think like that, then you're a noob. You never should say that someone is a noob. Because that's nice. He's so cute. Where did he go? Small baby just disappeared. I loved him. He was like oh my gosh, my hubby bubby. Oh yay, come down. Jason, get down right now. Get down. Yeah,